friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today I'll be learning how to draw Billy Shanks, a daydream critter. So first let's get started with our nose, and we're going to curve this line around and then in. For the right eye, we're going to curve this line across. We're going to come over on a diagonal, arching this up for our left eye. Now from here on the right, we're going to curve this around and then down in the corner. And then we'll do the same going from corner to corner on the left. On the right hand side now, let's arch this around and in. And then over on the left, we're going to draw in an oval. Now for the nostrils on both sides, we're going to curve this line out. And then now let's draw in our mouth. So on the right side in the center, we're going to curve this line up and then down. We're going to move over on the left, arching this line up and then across. Now from here on the bottom, let's curve this line all the way around and then up on the right. For the tongue, curving this line across. We'll do the same on the right hand side. Now for the teeth, we're going to curve this line down on both sides. And then we're going to close this off with a small curved line. And then we're just going to curve this line up in the center to split the tooth in half. Now let's draw on the rest of the head. So in the center here, curving this down on the right. We'll do the same, curving this across on the left. Now from this point for the cheek, arching this around and then in. And then we'll do the same on the right. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in two curved lines, stretching that across. We'll do the same on the right. On the left-hand side now for the horn, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then from that point, just replicating that, bringing that over and down. Now we're going to draw in three curved lines as we come up towards the top. Let's move across on the left, drawing in another curved line. And then beside this for the ear, arching this around and then in. And then on the top, just curving this down. Now let's close off the rest of the head. So we're going to arch this line over. We're going to continue as we come in. And we're just going to go from point to point, curving this around and down as we follow this all the way around the head in a circle. Let's continue on the left-hand side now. And we're just going to bring this further out as we come over on the left towards our ear. For the horn on the right now, we're just going to draw in the top part, curving this out and then down. And then for the ear on the right hand side, arching this around and then in and just curving that up on the top. Now let's draw in the pendant in the middle. So coming down, we're going to curve this around and across towards the right. From the top here, let's curve this line in. Moving down again, curving this line in. And then we'll do it one more time, bringing it straight down towards the bottom. Now for the pendant, we're just going to curve this line up. On the left-hand side, arching this line over. And then we'll do the same on the top. From here, we're going to close this off on the bottom. And then we'll do the same again on the top. Now from here for the stomach, curving this around. For the leg, arching this down. We'll do the same as we move over on the right. On the left-hand side, let's bring this down again. And then we'll do the same thing on the right-hand side. Now from here on the bottom, let's curve this line across. And then replicate that on the right. Closing off the foot again, we're going to move up One more time, replicating that. And then for the tail, arching this down, curving that in towards the side. And then one more time on the bottom. Now on the right hand side, bringing this line down for the right arm, curving this line in, and then moving up, closing that off. And that is it. That's how you draw Billy Shanks, a Daydream critter. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.